very, very warm welcome from my side. For everybody who doesn't know me, I'm Jonas. I'm currently the chairman of the Digital Euro Association and can welcome you all here to our nice DEA Summerfest. So today it's a little bit different than our normal events, which is very content focused, lots of discussions topic wise. So I'm sure you don't just talk about other stuff today, but it's more an informal day and informal talks where we just want to all sit down and recap what's happening.